So welcome guys, welcome. So we are back. So I want to do analysis on EURUSD, and there is something that I've just seen, and actually I'm already in because right now we're on a bullish trend. That's according to my analysis and according to what I can see. So you can see the market broke structure from here. Okay, so this was a very nice area of resistance. As you can see, the market was coming down through this channel, and from here the market broke, retested again this zone from here. It broke up and it broke this major structure from here. As you can see the market went up, even it created a gap here. So the market went all the way up to this region. So that being said, again the market was pulling back, because of course when you break a structure like this, of course the market has to come down and retest and then continue going up, at least, even to give us a double top. Even if it doesn't want to go all the way up, it has maybe to come and test this zone before it decides what to do. Therefore, when the market came to retest this zone, which was the most recent break of structure, as you can see, the market gave us what? A double bottom here, or a W. So again, the market pushed up last week, and now again here we are retesting, because remember, every time a market breaks a level, it has to pull back to retest that level. And because this was an area of interest, you see there was bullish, there were buyers seated here. We saw this big bullish candle. Now the market is retesting, and this is on daily, by the way, guys. This is on daily. So me, I've already entered based on this pullback. Okay, and I'm anticipating the market will continue pushing up. The market will continue pushing up, and remember, it doesn't matter how long it takes for the market to go up. So I'm not saying the market will go up today or tomorrow. It depends. The market can, it is what it is. It will do whatever it wants to do, but based on the structure, based on what I can see, this is a bullish market, and my anticipation is that the market will continue pushing up. It might take 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, doesn't matter. But of course, to protect my account, because I'm already in, as you can see, right now I'm running on negative, but I'll still hold. I'm still holding. I'm actually on 2 pairs, GU and Euro USD. So that being said, I just wanted to analyze this market, and I'm already in right now. I've already entered, and I'm anticipating this market will continue pushing up this coming week. Of course, on Tuesday and Wednesday we have some news, so I'm anticipating to see at least a break of this small resistance here. You can see we have a resistance around this area. So once we break this region, the market can either pull back or continue pushing all the way up. So that is what I'm still holding, and I want to see the market continue pushing up. So that's my analysis on Euro USD. And by the way, there's another nice setup I'm waiting on USD CAD. So quickly, maybe I can just mention USD CAD. I'm anticipating to sell because, as you can see again, so this market is going, as you can see, we had a double top. The market came down, broke this structure here to the downside, came, retested again, gave us this bearish, see this bearish candle. So the market right now, it is testing a very important region. This is a resistance. So I want to see whether the market will go down. But on this one, I haven't, I'm still waiting for it, because if I go on a lower time frame, which I don't really like trading on smaller time frame, I've already put a channel here. So once the market breaks this channel, and I'll prefer for it to break this, I'll prefer to see a break of, a change of character from, I just want to see it below this green line. So once it goes below this green line, because again, as you can see, if I zoom out, you'll be able to see there's a zone here. See, this is a break of structure here. So the market tested, still pushing up. So if we come down and below this, then is when I want to sell this market. But for now, I'll want to focus on Euro USD, because this is the pair that I'm trading right now. And as you can see, the buyers have started pushing up. We're still not out of the wood yet, but we'll still wait and see what the market will do, because as you can see, we are on a very low of the day. This is the support level. So I just want to see the market pushing up, pushing up. So we shall see. We shall see. I've already entered. Remember, this is not. I'm not telling you to. You can trade whichever pair you want, and you can also trade this pair. As you can see, we have double bottom here. Liquidity sweep. You can see all those people who bought from this region, their stop loss were below this double bottom, and you can see the market has swept this liquidity. So I'm anticipating the market will continue to push up. So let's just wait and see if the market will do that. So good luck, guys. And if you want to join, you can join. Remember, risk management is very, 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 very important. And that's why I've put a stop loss in place. So we go back to H4. And as you can see on H4, we have a double top here. And as you all know, when you see a double top on a bullish trend, remember, whoever is selling here, where are they putting their stop loss? Their stop loss is piled up here and also here. So that is liquidity for these guys. You see, this is easy peasy. So the money, the market will want to come and sweep liquidity over here because we have a double top. Those who trade those kind of patterns on a bullish trend, double tops are good, but it has to be on a bearish trend. That's when you can apply it and it will work. The same way, you see, when you see a double bottom here, you see they came and this is liquidity sweep on a double bottom. That's why the market pushed up. So I'm anticipating that whoever is selling this market, their stop losses are here or even here. So that's why I've placed my TP just slightly above here, so that when the market comes to take these orders, I'll still have hit my TP, pull back, and then maybe continue all the way up here. So that being said, let's wait and see what the market will give us. So, yep, see you guys later.